Hey, honors physics students, how about a couple of hints on very gentle problems number 7 and 12 for T 4.1? Number 7, and again, both of these are about work and energy. And number 7 has a shopping cart that is being pushed at an angle of 29 degrees from down from the horizontal. As you'll recall from Unit 3, it is very useful to break the forces into various components. And so what you'll see here is that the force, which is unknown to us, is producing a horizontal component that is F times the cosine of 29 degrees. Okay? Notice also that there is a frictional force, and the frictional force is being applied back in the opposite direction. And we are told what the frictional force is. The frictional force is, I believe, 48 newtons. Now notice this interesting thing. If it's going at a constant velocity, then the forward force of F cosine 29 degrees, the forward component, must be the same and opposite of the 48 Newton frictional force. This allows you to solve for the forward force. The rest of the problem should fall in place nicely. Now let's jump ahead to number 23 with a fighter jet and a catapult. The most important idea here is the work energy theorem. The work energy theorem states that the work you do on something is equal to the change in the energy. Now, in this case, the change of kinetic energy. It can be change of potential energy, but the fighter jet picks up kinetic energy. So it is equal to the change in the kinetic energy, which is given to you. So then I'll only give you one more little bit of information. Work can be cumulative. If we want the total work on the fighter jet, then we could say the work done by the catapult plus the work done by the thrust is equal to the change in the kinetic energy of the fighter jet. Now, luckily for us, most of these are known to us, and I think that's plenty of hints for you to go on.